unobstructed Folsom Lake views in your own backyard paradise on nearly an acre. Surrounded by rolling hills, city lights, and just minutes from Promontory Park, Folsom Lake, top-rated schools, this address is more than a location, it's a lifestyle. I love this floor plan. It is absolutely perfect for multi-generational living. This is a 3-level home with 2 primary suites, one on each level, and another ensuite on the lower level, ensuring privacy and room for all. Some sanctuaries need to be experienced to be truly understood. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on all the new listings we have coming in El Dorado Hills.